Hello, friends. Hope you are doing great. In today's lesson, I'm going to brief you as to how to write an essay. This is all about essay writing. So, before starting, you have to follow the 5 significant steps for writing an essay. Number 1, for the introduction, write the thesis statement and give some background information. Number 2, develop each supporting paragraph and make sure to follow the correct paragraph format. Number 3, write clear and simple sentences to express your meaning. Number 4, focus on the main idea of your essay. Number 5, use a dictionary to help you find additional words to express your meaning. So, today's essay is about friendship. Human beings are social creatures. They strive for companionship with others. Although there are some people that might find pleasure in solitude until they reach the state of insanity, it seems clear that the majority of people do seek companionship if possible. Central among these companionships are friendships. For some people, this is what makes life worthwhile: the presence of friends. Friendship is what really measures a good man. With friendship, one is not following laws, he is naturally giving and receiving a mutual sharing of things in life. Friendship is a necessary aspect of every human's life, as we are not self-sufficient in and of ourselves, despite its necessity. Friends can be described as an intimate associate, reliable, one who is not an enemy or foe, an ally, etc. Thus, based upon the definition of a friend, we can assert that friends should not betray one another, regardless of the circumstance. This is true if and only if it is in the best interest of the friend. Secondly, trust is an issue that every platonic friendship must deal with. Trust is an unwritten rule between friends and is defined as the firm belief or confidence in the honesty, integrity, reliability, justice, etc. of another person. Trust is also described as faith. Can you imagine what life would be like without them? Who would you hang out with in the cafeteria during lunch? Who would you tell about the new love in your history class, who is both cute and smart? As one grows older, their view on friendship changes and the group of friends they had becomes smaller. As a young child, friendship does not really exist. The friends that a child really has is more like an encounter. When a child is playing with another child, it is as if everything revolves around each child's needs. As the youngster proceeds into the elementary grades, they begin to understand that friendship is more than just a playmate. They start to see their friend's point of view, share secrets, plans, and feelings, and help. What is friendship? Friendship is a word used to describe different kinds of personal relationships. Many people are just acquaintances, yet they call it friendship. True friends know the difference. Other people are friends in school, and then after school, they go their own ways. True friends are not just sometime friends. The dictionary defines friendship as the condition or relation of being friends. Ancient Greek philosophers truly revered the concept of friendship and spent much of their time defining, shaping, and discovering the answer to a phenomenal question. What exactly are the components of true friendship? A highly respected philosopher, Cicero, believed that friendship is the only thing in this world the usefulness of which all mankind are in agreement. According to Cicero, nature has no love for solitude and always leans, as it were, on sole support, and the sweetest support is found in the most intimate friendship. He believed that true friendship could only exist among good people, since true friendship is extremely hard to find and maintain. Only people who are good and virtuous are able to handle actual friendships. Honesty, companionship, and loyalty are the components that configure a true friend. First, honesty includes both persons remaining truthful, sincere, and frank to one another. If there is not a trust between two persons, then it is impossible to maintain a friendship. People today, in all this new world technology and thinking, have lost sight of what a true friendship is. No way do friends have to be exactly the same. It means some friends do have similarities, but they also have their differences. The key to opening up the world of friendship is not just to focus on the similarities, but to accept each other's faults, because true friends do not judge each other. Friends love unconditionally.